Alright, so you just installed Build-A-Fit. Here's everything you need to know. When you first open the app, you'll see a banner that says Theme Integration Required. Just hit Enable App Embed. It'll take you straight to your theme editor where the embed is already turned on for you. All you got to do is hit Save. Close that tab, go back to the app, refresh the page, you're now live. Next, hit that Get Started button. This is where you connect the collection. Whatever collection you choose is what shows up in the widget. Quick tip, if you want your products in a specific order, go to that collection in Shopify. Set the sort to manual and drag them how you want. Hats first, then sunglasses, then shirts, whatever makes sense for your brand. The widget follows the same order. Another thing, the product type you set on each listing is what shows up as the filter pills in the widget. So if you label something as a hat, your customers can tap hats and filter right to it. Make sure your types are clean. And for your product images, this is important. Use a 1:1 ratio with a transparent background. Basically crop the product out so there's nothing behind it. That's what makes the fits look clean on the canvas. Once you're set up, your customers can open the widget, browse your products, drag them onto the canvas, resize and layer them however they want, and share the fit with your store URL baked right into the image. Head over to the settings to customize your button text, color theme, and everything else. That's it. Your customers are about to start building fits.